Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be replacing the side indicator that's located on the side mirror of a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204. Enjoy. The first thing that I'm going to do is to turn the mirror from that anchor point there. I then take my prying tool around the edges of the mirror and pry it off. Now this is what the inside cover of the mirror looks like. These are your heating element cables. Now my light is at the back there. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver. Next thing I'm going to do is remove the torque screws. Now that I have these two removed, only the bottom ones by the way, and I'm using T10. I'm going to try to wedge this bit. Just put maybe a flat there, then wedge it. Actually, the trim removal tool is the best. I will then try to pry the bottom half section of the rear housing. Just lift the housing back. Moved the mirror itself. Now this is what it looks like after I've lifted the whole thing up. And my light is in there. It's the part number. So I'm going to check this, look for this on eBay, then do a replacement, which should be a reverse order of what we've done. Something I need to explain before we go any further. This is the heated mirror. That's what it looks like at the back. So this is what I'm also going to be replacing. It's the front item and it's fairly easy to replace. Then this is the motor or actuator. So every time you're moving your mirror from within your control panel, this guy is the one that flaps the mirror forward and backwards. Then at the back, of course, there's our indicator light at the back. So these are the main electrical components on your wing. I got the spares from Autotalk Europe. Usually sell genuine parts. Should be one of them. Right. This looks like a perfect match. I'm going to replace that One important thing that you should check when you're replacing these is the rating at the back of each of the LEDs. This one is rated 12 volts, 1.89 watts. So the old one should more or less be within the same wattage. So make sure that the fuses don't blow. After you've removed the screws, you just have these clip-ons, quick release fittings that you just press one there. Then this bit should be separate from the housing. Old versus new. Look the same, don't they? Reverse order for placement of a new one. This is the housing with the LED fitting removed. Yeah, my new one should fit just there. We'll tack it up in reverse order. Well, this corner is the bit that I should tack in first. And this part clips into place. These two bits clip into place, so you should be careful not to damage that cable there. Perfect. Right. I have to put back my screws. The old one had a black and red cable, but the new one has got a blue and a yellow. I would think the blue is the positive and the yellow is the negative, but then this bit at the bottom I can't tell because both of them are black. So it's best, before you screw the whole bit in, it's best to check your indicator and see if it's working. If it doesn't, swap the wires. Correct polarity. Now I can fit this housing back in place.